How long does it take to score 100% in CAT for intermediate level? So we already have a video for beginner, we'll have for intermediate, we'll for advanced students. First, let's try to understand what you mean by intermediate students and then work. So we do have courses, people are targeting 100 percentile, 100 percentile batch for CAT 25. Normal CAT full course, CAT mentorship, DLR 1000, Quant 1000, and PI Badgley course. Now, what do you mean by intermediate student? So people who have written CAT before and scored 80 plus percentile. I'm assuming that you've gone to the syllabus before, you're fundamentally clear with the basics and have at least scored 80 percentile in previous CAT. Or people have not written the CAT but are comfortable with the basics. I mean, I've been good in maths in the earlier part, or I've been well read, etc. So I'm comfortable with the basics. So in which case your intermediate level is almost as good as you covered the syllabus once. So this is what we talk about intermediate level. People are already prepared for the CAT. So your one level of preparation is over. That's it. Or you're comfortable. So normally for these students, 6 to 9 month duration to score 100 percentile. So it will also involve regular preparation of 3 to 4 hours a day. That's more important. Being regular is very important, and obviously learning new methods, learning new ways to solve, all that is important. Now, how do you get those 100 percentile? So step 1. First is go to the entire syllabus and brief. Since you're comfortable with the basics or you've gone to the syllabus once, go to the entire syllabus again in brief within 2 to 3 months time. So just being familiar with different topics, practicing questions, 2 to 3 months time is what it takes to complete the syllabus. That's the first step which is good. So that you know all the topics which are there present, you've gone to it once and it's fresh in your mind. Once step 1 is done, the next step would be again writing a mock, identifying your weak areas and improving your weak areas. I'm assuming you scored less because you had your weak areas. And every student has some weak areas. I mean, even if I'm 100 percentile, I always have some weak areas which I feel I can prepare and improve. So which means your focus now in the level 2 has to be improving on your weak areas. Practice improving on your weak areas. Okay, keep writing 2 to 4 mocks a month. So maybe a 1 mock a week or maybe 1 mock in a fortnight. And this should be around 1 to 2 months duration, depending on what you stand. Around 1 to 2 months, you should continue this and try to improve on your weak areas. Improving your weak areas become important because normally people lose marks in a weak area. If you're good on your weak areas, you should be able to do well. And step 3, regular mocks, 2 to 4 months mocks a week now. So this is the last 3 to 4 months. Your focus should be to write more mocks, focus on strategy, and solve CAT level sums and keep trying to get better methods to solve questions. That's what the key area as far as possible. So in that case, focusing on getting better ways of solving is what will make a difference in a lot of places. Also, experimenting with a strategy will also help you to improve. Okay. So as when you come closer to the exam, maybe 2 months before the exam, you can focus on writing more mocks, 4 to 5 mocks, depending on where your situation lies. But in the starting, just 2 mocks a week or 4 mocks a week will suffice. The rest of the time, you need to focus on practicing getting better methods. Once you get better methods, can I implement in other questions? How do I improve on that? All that is important. Now, the nitty-gritty about it, we'll come up with more videos to help you understand what do you mean by better method, how do you prepare, etc. We'll come up with details. This is broad, framework or broad timeline which is required to score 100 percentile for an intermediate level. I hope this helps. Thank you.